In this video, we'll look at 5 common vocab variations between China and Taiwan. Warning, get one of them wrong and you could offend someone. 你好，欢迎来到我们的频道。This is 英国的苹果, the channel that teaches you Chinese spoken by real Taiwanese people. Just as there are different Chinese accents depending whether you are in Shanghai or Taipei, there are also some differences in some of the words used. To really sound like a local, you need some local vocab. To test what you already know, pause the video when prompted and say your answer out loud. The first one is Mandarin Chinese. Do you know how it's said in Taiwan? In fact, there are 2 ways. In Taiwan, we say 国语, as in 你会说国语吗? Or 中文, as in 你会说中文吗? In China, people say 汉语, as in 你会说汉语吗? Or 普通话, as in 你会说普通话吗? Number 2 is the word for good morning. Do you know how to say it? In Taiwan, we say 早安, whereas in China, people say 早上好. Number 3 is the adverb quite, as in quite nice or quite busy. In Taiwan, we use 蛮, as in 这个蛮好玩的, or 它蛮漂亮的. In China, it's 挺, as in 这个挺好玩的 or 这本书挺有意思的 Number 4 is the word for Miss, as in Miss Jones. Now, you want to proceed with caution with this one. In Taiwan, we use 小姐, but be careful if you travel to China and say 小姐. In some circumstances, it has been known to mean prostitute. So, you want to watch your circumstances. Instead, you can say 美女, which literally means pretty lady. On the other hand, if you use 美女 in Taiwan, it sounds flirty. So, I'll let you decide how often you use it. The last one on our list is you're welcome, which in Taiwan is 不客气 or 不会, 都可以. However, in China, they say 没事, which literally means nothing. 好了, that's our list for now. Having lived and worked in China, I'd say the number of different words is similar to that of British and American English, so it's a small proportion. Therefore, if you want to sound like a local, they are well worth learning.